new health warnings tonight about the risk that e-cigarettes pose to young children.
The Center for Disease Control and Poison Centers across the nation are warning that overdoses from liquid nicotine can harm, even kill children who come in contact with it.
RTV6's Jack Reinhardt joins us tonight with what health officials are telling us about the dangers. Jack.
Well, Todd, without question, e-cigarette usage has become more widespread, and that only means that parents with small children and pets need to be more vigilant about how and where they keep them in the house. At the Indie Vapor Shop, as many as 10 to 15 customers daily are buying e-cigarettes for the first time. And while viewed as a smoking cessation technique or less harmful than tobacco cigarettes, health professionals maintain they aren't without risk, not only to the user, but to their children as well.
We see poisonings every day here in the emergency department, from household cleaners to makeup to medicines, and this is going to be another very dangerous chemical that we're going to have kids having access to. Liquid nicotine comes in more than 200 flavors like raspberry, key lime, and peaches and cream. But the Center for Disease Control and the American Association of Poison Control Centers says the name belies the hidden risks. In 2013, the number of overdose cases jumped by more than 300% over 2012. And this year, nicotine overdose cases are projected to jump another 100%.
This delivery device themselves, I think, is maybe at the beginning stages. It's become very popular, and I think the time is now that it requires some, more thoughtful regulation. It is a chemical. As a chemical, it should be regulated in how it's taken.
America's Poison Control Centers urge parents to protect their skin when handling liquid nicotine to prevent exposure to children and pets. When it comes to liquid nicotine, the damage to children is not just drinking it, but simple contact with the skin.
I don't want to scare people unnecessarily about a product, but I think that this is something that truly is going to have kids die from inadvertent overdoses. So I think it's worth getting the message out that this is a scary substance.
Poison control experts urge e-cigarette users to protect their skin, keep the devices and liquid nicotine out of the hands of children, and follow the disposal directions on the label. Jack Reinhardt, RTV6.